First, grab the zippo that you want to fill. Next, grab some zippo fluid. Now open the top and pull out the actual lighter part from the case. Look for the hole on the bottom. Next, grab your zippo fluid. I tried opening it with my top, but your fingers work just as well. Next, aim it at the little hole on the bottom and gently squeeze the lighter fluid in. Next, once it starts to overfill, you'll know that your zippo is full. It might leak a little, and that is okay. Now make sure when you grab your case, the little hinge is pointing inside and not outside. As you can see here, I made this mistake. There we go. And now your zippo should be ready for use. And that is how to fill a zippo. Have fun.